Hey there, welcome back guys. We got a treat for you. Whoops, don't break your stuff. In this video we're going to show you how to print the rocket, but not just any rocket. If you're like me and you print the rocket and you're trying to get the rocket to be hollow. See, this is really rubbery and hard and solid like a rock, but we want it to be empty on the inside so that we could have something a little bit squishy. Now, this one is broken because by default it's hot in there and there's air building up. So what you want to do is probably drill a hole in it in the beginning, after it's cooled off, so that when you press it, see, we can press this one, and if we look, it's empty on the inside. Kind of neat, huh? But we want it to be softer, right? So we'll probably print this with TPU, right? So you could still squeeze it. You'll be able to squeeze it, because I'm going to print another one in PLA to see how it works after I drill the hole when it's cooled off. But let's check out the one in TPU. Check it out. Let's just pull this guy out of here. Let's see. Whoops. Looks like we lost some video footage. There we are. And we go 1, 2, 3. Let's check it out. Oh, wow. So similarly, we'll have to puncture it. But this one we might be able to puncture with a pin. Look at that. This is really nice. And look how soft and squishy that is. Let me put this back on the tripod. So as you see, we lost some footage, but that's probably because it was attached to the computer. So you see how when you squeeze it, now imagine it being warm and you squeezing it and that pressure building up. So the one printed in TPU, we can just take a little pin. Maybe we'll hear it, watch. No, we don't hear it, but now it's got just enough holes in it so that it can be squeezed, right? And we probably want to make a little bit of a bigger hole in it. You know what? Let's use the Dremel. We have one here. Let me just get it 1 second. Here's the Dremel right here. And you need this so that you can squeeze it, right? See how it's a little taut in there, a little tight, because using the pin really doesn't do justice. So I have this Dremel here. Whoops, carefully, don't accidentally. And see, the Dremel's not working because it's not powerful enough. We need more power. Apparently, this is soft material, but actually, is it set to the highest? No, not strong enough. So we've got more power. The folks sent this to us. As another video I have on this, the other Dremel that we have set up, the Hardell Dremel. There'll be a link to this in the description if you want it. And as you can see, we do want it. And look, it has a little light. And now we can see what we're doing and make that. Oh wow. Oh yeah. See, so much better. And you can drill another hole next to it. See that? Another hole next to it so that it's big enough. Oops. So that, oh yeah, that's definitely big enough. Could probably use one of the diamond shaped attachments to make it just right so that we're grinding away. There are other yeah, there we go. Now that should make things just right for you. And as you can see, oh yeah, see now when I squeeze it, see it reinflates. You know, I could have used one of the other attachments, but that's okay. This actually, you know what? Let's try the other attachment, the one that wasn't working. So you see how we have here, because they should be similar in size. Pull that out. So then we get our hole really even. And you're probably like, the settings, bro. Don't worry, we got you covered. We'll do the set. Oh man, I don't think this one will work. Well, it should work if we take this out, because I want to show you what you need to do so it doesn't pop and explode. This thing actually popped. It went like that. When I tried, I was like, oh wow, I can squeeze it. You can with the PLA, but you want to drill a hole in the bottom so that it doesn't whatchamacallit, get defunct on you. Actually, you can test these out beforehand. And try like that. Yep, that one will work. Interchangeable parts. And then we'll take the cover and put it on. I was like, wait, where did it go? See? Put this on like that. And wait for it. Oh, now we push it in. Make it tighter. And now we'll get a really smooth hole that works just right for you. Whoops. And make sure it's not set for too fast. Don't break your stuff in the process. And watch your fingers, because you could accidentally... See, we got a little light action happening. And now you can make the hole without trying to... Oh, yeah. See? It's a rubbery experience. There we are. Voila. And now, when you squeeze it, see? Everything works well. And this actually worked better than the other one. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the settings. Yes, I just wanted to show you what you need to do after you get it. And look, check it out. See, and watch it reinflate. Whoops. Oh, wow, you could even do that. I didn't realize that. Huh. Similar to the frog. All right. Knowing that and moving forward, let me just work things out so that they work just right for you. I'm just going to sync the audio on... Oh, I'll do that afterwards. All right, so I'm doing this in Cura. You could do this in any other application, any other slicer you're using, just as long as you follow along. Okay, I have standard quality set here. And as you can see here, it says recommended. Now, if you see this right here, when you just started this project, make sure you do this, because that means your previous settings are in there, and it can make this defunct, or it could make it even better. So as you can see here, my strength and infill is going to be set to 20. It's set to 20% by default, but we're going to put that at 0. So infill density, that means it's going to be hollow on the inside. Okay, that's what that does, in case you're wondering. Now I'm going to show custom. Do this on your other slicer. And then as you can see here, go to the bottom, special modes. See where it says spiralize out of contour? So we just select that. Make sure that's selected. And see, you have these two selected. And now, when I go there, now I'm going to bring in the rocket. I'm going to open up my previous files, open recent. For me, it's rocket. See, and there it is. It's you can't see it yet. Voila. Now, look at that. There it is. Let's see, we can zoom in on it. Now when I slice it, see how smooth that is? Watch what happens after I slice it. It'll be somewhat spiralized. And see how it, yeah, it changed a bit. Yep. And then if I go to preview, see? Look at that. So that's what you want, that sort of like spiralized effect. And then I'm going to save to disk and then call it hollow, right? Hollow rocket, because you might have another version in your files. And then we'll click save, and that's it. And you're done. Send it to your printer, and you should experience something like this, if not better, but definitely not this. This is the first one. I saw so many videos. I was like, how do I do it? How do I do it? And eventually I was just experimenting with it, and I was able to figure it out. But no one wanted to share the solution. But here we go. We got you covered. We make these videos so you don't have to. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you can't, use it to go to the moon and do a rescue mission at the space station, but maybe you can make your own in your 3D printed world. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.